Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Brashley.
Shopping edition!
That's right, shopping edition. So what we're going to do today, thanks to Organic Garage, we're going to actually show you how to navigate a grocery store, how to pick the right produce and how to pick the right products so that our weight loss and our New Year's resolution goals stay on track. Okay guys? So come on with us and let's do it. Come on.
So let's talk about butter. We typically use our grass-fed unsalted butter. It's great for heating up things in the frying pan. You can also toss in your coffee in the morning with unsalted, obviously. If you put salt in, it's going to taste a little weird. And it's from grass-fed cows. That means they're eating grass year-round and they're not eating grains or anything else. So that's all you're getting in this butter.
And don't forget, honey, okay, being a saturated fat, it's the most stable butter or most stable fat for cooking.
Hey guys, so another thing that we always stock up on is our organic lactose-free cheese. These from Lenicitra come in a variety of flavors, and we always have one of these on hand. Whether you're making cheese chips that are full of fat, whether you're shredding them over a salad, or whether you're melting them in something else, it's always great to have one of these on hand.
We love cheese, okay? So we always have these on hand so we don't go snacking for other things, okay? Now if we keep moving down this aisle, and notice that we haven't gone into the aisles yet, okay? We spent a lot of time in the produce. We buy most of your stuff in the produce. Okay, now for some proteins, guys, choosing eggs can be confusing. Free run, free range, organic, grass-fed, what am I doing, okay? So, the easiest way to put it is the best eggs to buy are organic pasture-raised eggs, okay? So take a look at these. Here we have free-range pasture-raised eggs. Another type of egg, organic eggs, okay? So when you're buying the organic type eggs, you know that the animals, chickens, have been treated humanely, okay? So you're not carrying a whole ton of disease, you're not transporters. It's a lot healthier chicken. It's a lot healthier egg. It's got way more omega-3s in it to the omega-6s. If you go and buy them crappy eggs, those are pro-inflammatory eggs. Organic pasture-raised eggs, not so much. They got very good anti-inflammatory properties, okay? So make sure you buy them.